Hello everybody and welcome to this pretty quick and fun tutorial in which I'm going to show you how we can use modern AI tools to do tasks in seconds, which traditionally with using photo editing tools would have taken us minutes to hours. So, for example, I have a mannequin. He wears an orange puffy winter jacket, short pants. I'm in the US and Michigan. That's pretty accurate. They walk around that during the winter. And then I have a snow shovel. By the way, this one was made in Shaper 3D. He was created in Viscom AI. You upload these two images, in this case to uh, Gemini. You can use whatever AI, for example, ChatGPT 2, and then you just write your prompt. Make him use a shovel and remove snow from the driveway. And then that is what you get. Look at that. This is literally mind-blowingly amazing. The lighting is good, the pose is correct. There's even a little bit of snow flying around. I didn't really specify anything about the background. I didn't upload any sketch or another photo for where this should actually take place. So the AI took the liberty, because of the lack of my description, to create this image. With that said, anyway, this took literally a few seconds. If I would do this traditionally, I would need to find either a model to work for me so I could photograph them in the pose. I would need to find a photo of the shovel. I would need to adjust the lighting. I would need to find, let's say, a winter scene, edit the snow. You can easily look at this taking 1 to 2 or 3 hours to get this done, based on how quickly you find the needed images. But now it's a matter of seconds. To create a nice pack shot, so showing the product in scale with a human reference, well, here I simply uploaded both images and then said, making hold the snow shovel. Nothing else. And look at this. It's beautiful. You see that from this original image, the right arm was moved in the hand to hold the shovel. Look at the fingers. This is so incredible. Very time consuming to do manually. The way how everything started is another really good example of how powerful these AI models like ChatGPT or Gemini or Context Flux are, because they are, I would say, really focused on image editing. So the reference image, the download link to these two images is in the description of the video, by the way, has him holding the two paper bags. And then all I said, remove the shopping bags, do not change the pose, and, well, slightly change the pose. But the important thing is the hands are also nice and free for the AI to see. Doing this again manually in a photo editing tool, that would have been tricky, because removing the bags is easy, but then drawing in the missing fingers, that's hard work to do realistically. And with this, again, in a matter of seconds, we're done. Then I downloaded that image, uploaded first the shovel, and then I uploaded the image of him, because I want the shovel to be applied to the image of the person, and said, make the man hold the shovel. And there it is. Now you see. If you, by the way, don't like an outcome, you can always go back and edit the prompt, and then it will generate a new version. Or here you could just click redo, and then it will redo the last previous task. That only works, by the way, with the last step in your chat chain. So you cannot go back and do the same here. You see that function is missing. And yeah, so this would be a valid case actually to click the redo because he is clearly not holding it. Anyway, I think this is a humorous way to end this video. Here, this works much better. Perfect. So we're going to work with that as an acceptable outcome. Okay, that's it. The beauty of using AI to edit images and create like a pack shot or product presentation. And it doesn't matter if it's product or also interior or architecture. For the AI, it's just pixels.